Hi, welcome to Zest in the Kitchen with me, your host, Justine. Today, we are going to make Mexican street corn dip. So this is for your tortillas. It's very good. I love it. And if you've ever went to a restaurant and they offer the Mexican street corn on the cob, it's messy. You're not going to get like the corn from eating on the cob. It's messy in your teeth. First, I use fresh corn, but if you would like to use corn frozen, that's fine. I wouldn't use canned corn though. I would use frozen. It's closer to fresh. They freeze it right after picking, so it's going to be the closest to fresh. You can also grill it. So what I'm doing is I'm just taking the corn off the cob. And I've got a bowl already. So I've used 5 ears. And then it's called milking the corn cob. And you just run your fork down and that gets you some creaminess that you're not going to get really on the cob because you leave it. So see all that right there? That is the cream from the corn or the milk. What I'm going to do, taking all the corn, it is a messy job to do corn. And when I freeze it in the winter or in the fall, I've got corn everywhere. And I've got some butter in here. I'm going to add some garlic in here. Off to the side so it can get a little, and then I'll mix it with the rest. Put the rest of my corn in. And it's really easy. See, look at all that. That is milk from your corn. This pan, I'm just going to turn around and, saute the corn in here. I'll put all the other ingredients in, and then guess what? I put it in the oven. And you can serve it in this. If you don't have one, it's fine. You can put it in something that you can serve. That's good. I don't want to salt this corn because the cotija cheese, which is right here, it's crumbly, it's Mexican, it's a little like feta, and you put it in here so it's pretty salty. After I get everything in, then I'm going to taste for seasoning. So the corn it'll start changing colors, and that's what you want. Then you add in lime juice. I like chipotle chili powder, cilantro, and I'm only going to add in some because I'll use some to top it. That was mayonnaise and sour cream. Stir it up. Then you add in some of the cotija, not all, it's just a little bit of salt. And now, once I get finished getting it all mixed up, I'm just going to put it in the oven. And there you go. It's done. I'm going to add a little lime over the top of it. Put some cotija cheese. Oh, this is good. More is better. I love this stuff. And then some fresh cilantro. Okay. Now's the time for tasting. I want to get a little of everything. I want to get some of the cheese and some of the cilantro, the corn. To have that sweet corn with the cotija cheese and a little bit of lime. And there's a creaminess to it. and then you have that back kick of the chipotle. Wow, this is so good. You won't try any other corn dip except this one. This is, and you could even use it as a side dish. My goodness, I could just eat it. It's so good with a spoon. So thank you everybody for liking me and subscribing and sharing me. I can't thank you enough for doing that. And for those of you that are seeing me for the first time, make sure you go over to YouTube, hit subscribe, and right next to the subscribe button is a little bell, and make sure you hit that. For this recipe and more, go to www.justinthekitchen.com. I'll see you guys later. I'm going to be putting out my fajitas. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm going to have like a whole Cinco de Mayo food fest, which is how I celebrate everything, with food. God bless. Have a great day. Bye-bye.